In this video, I'm going to share with you how to prepare our roast chicken legs for this festive season. Now, this recipe is divided into 3 sections. How to prepare the juiciest chicken whole leg that we ever roasted. How to prepare the roast potato that is crispy on the outside and tender inside. And lastly, how to prepare our special Asian-inspired vegetable side dish, complement with the chicken. Let's get started. Get 4 large chicken whole leg, which is about 400 to 500 grams each. Get some fresh rosemary and thyme. Use only the leaves of the rosemary. As for the thyme, you can just chop it coarsely. Use plenty of lemon zest. I use 1 lemon for 2 chicken legs. Mash a few cloves of garlic. Coarsely chop it. And add it to the dry herbs. When all these are ready, we can start to marinate the chicken. Coat the chicken thoroughly with olive oil. Sprinkle the salt on both sides of the chicken. Then the ground black pepper. Give it a good rub to ensure the entire surface is covered. Why do we apply the salt and pepper first, and only then sprinkle the herbs on the chicken later? This is because we want the salt and the pepper penetrate into the chicken without the obstruction by the herbs. Now, if you combine everything together, the part of the salt will never reach the chicken. Add the herbs, lemon zest, and garlic to the chicken. Lightly press so that it will adhere to the surface and seal all the salt and pepper beneath it. Cover with cling films and store in the refrigerator overnight. Roasting. Place the chicken on the wire rack. Line the roasting tray with aluminum foil. It is so easy to clean up the tray if you do this. Start roasting the chicken legs at 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, skin side down. Open the door of the oven and turn the chicken over. Roast at 220 degrees Celsius for another 15 minutes, skin side up. Use a kitchen thermometer to test the doneness of the chicken. Pierce the thermometer to the thickest part of the meat, down to the bone. The internal temperature is at about 85 degrees Celsius. When you remove the thermometer, there will be some juice oozing out without any trace of blood. Prepare the vegetables. We are using a set of Asian vegetables to replace the conventional salad served alongside the chicken. So we have shiitake mushroom, carrots, broccoli florets, snow peas, and some cherry tomato. Make a pattern on the cap of the mushroom. Remove the thin string of the snow peas. Cut the lotus root into thin slices. Blanch the vegetables in boiling water. Broccoli, florets and mushrooms. 3 minutes. Lotus roots slices and the carrots. 2 minutes. Snow pea 1 minute. Remove and drain. Pour the vegetables in ice water to keep it fresh if you are not using it immediately. Then add the vegetables and chicken stock into the pan. Stir and cook until the stock starts to dry up. Add some roast chicken oil from the roasting pan and combine well. Roast the potatoes. Peel and cut the potatoes in wedges. Place it in a pot of water. Bring it to a boil. Cook the potato wedges until soft. Drain the potatoes. Grab some remaining marinade from the chicken. That is the mixture of rosemary, thyme, ground black pepper, and the mashed garlic. Chop it finely. Add to the potato. Some olive oil and some salt too. Combine well with the potatoes. Roast together with the chicken until the edges start to turn color. This roast chicken leg recipe is best for festive season or can be your weekend special. You can download the recipe and read more details about it at tasteasianfood.com roast chicken leg. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. And until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.